Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, you will see the play game as well as the sign in with Google option. In order to sign up and create a new account, tap on the play game option and this will take you into the basic tutorial level or your first ever match within the game. Just proceed with completing the first level. Once you complete the basic tutorial level, you will be allowed to enter your name. Type in your desired name and tap on the confirm button and this will take you into your second match as well. After completing the second match as well, you will now finally see the sign in with Google option to create your new account. Tap on this button and you will be asked to choose your Google account from the list of accounts that you have logged into your device. After choosing your preferred account, you will be signed up to your brand new account and your progress will now start to be saved within this account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Marble Snap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.